Rod Smith here from Smith Industries. We're here with the Smithvac HV2716 triaxle hydrovac. This unit has a debris capacity of 10.2 cubic meters, a water tank capacity of 6 cubic meters, has a 6200 CFM blower, and it's a hoisting unit, so the water and debris level out over the rear axle, providing excellent weight distribution. The boom has both wireless controls as well as hand controls on the side of the unit. And the boom is 20 feet retracted and 30 feet extended. This unit has fold-down bumper steps. It has rear door safety prop bars. It has a directional aero board as an option. It has a 6-inch heated discharge valve, a 4-inch heated load valve, and a rear view camera as standard equipment. Smith Industries has been designing silencers for vacuum blowers for over 20 years, and these are the quietest silencers we've ever produced. We also have the large Cyclone with 10-inch piping, stainless steel shutoff, and a 4-inch drain valve. Here we have the final filter, aluminum construction, and it has a washable cloth filter. As well, the hydraulic operated vent valve. This is the Digger storage tube cabinet with a bar grate floor so the mud can drain out. This is the main cabinet. There's lots of options for bins for tool storage and part storage. We have the famous Smithvac boot and mitt dryer. There's an optional 5,000 watt inverter for charging work lights or for the optional microwave or coffee machine. At Smith Industries, we have many available wash system options. We have 10 gallon per minute pumps and 20 gallon per minute pumps. This unit has two 10 gallon per minute 3000 PSI wash pumps and two hose reels. It also has two 440,000 BTU boilers in the top of the cabinet. So with the two pumps and two boilers, the flow can be separated for two guys hydrovacing, or it can be combined if you want 20 gallons a minute out one wash line. Or you can separate it and run one pump and boiler and circulate back to tank in cold weather while still hydrovacing with the other pump. Up here we have the main controls for the two wash systems, as well as the remainder of the electrical controls to operate the unit, as well as more bins for storage of tools and safety equipment. Emptying the debris tank is a breeze with the half opening door, 50-degree hoist, and a hydraulic tank vibrator.